this is the third series, okay? So I just now I talked about sawhorse, and then I showed to you the 3D form of this ethane, CH3, CH3, and then I put it into a sawhorse form looking from one point. So I assign it as A and assign this as B. And then if I want to see from a point from CA and put it in the sawhorse form, I can see it from here connecting to CB. So if I assign this as CA, C is actually connected by one bond to CB. So meaning that the other bond is actually connected to hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. So this is the sawhorse. If I want to put the sawhorse into 3D form, what I can do is I have one plane, another one plane also coming out, and then I can write this. Okay, sorry. I can write this. This is wedge. This is dash, meaning that it's away from you, and this is also dash away from you, and another one is wedge, meaning it's pointing towards you. Another one is plane, which is up there. Okay, this is an example of a sawhorse. When I change from this form to this form, so this is the 3D form, this is the plane form, but both of them is called sawhorse formula. Okay, the sawhorse formula is actually mimicking the seesaw. If you know the seesaw in the park, that we can see that, you know, children sitting on this and then they can going to be going like this. So coming from this particular name is called sawhorse. Okay, it's like riding a horse. Okay, now Newman projection is about writing this particular sawhorse from one point of carbon. So if I want to write Newman projection, if I take this formula, I will write it so that I see CA very near to me, because I'm standing, my eyes is like this, looking at this, okay, at this point here. So I have the carbon here, CA, near me here, okay. And then this carbon is actually connected to this hydrogen, another hydrogen, and one more hydrogen. And this carbon A is actually connected to carbon B. Now, because I'm looking directly from this point, logically, I cannot see clearly CB from here. So I'm going to be telling people that this CA is connected to CB, and I'm going to be using this circle to represent the bond between CA and CB. So actually this particular brown is actually showing or telling you the CA is actually connected to another carbon which is behind it, CB. And this CB has also connected to a connection to 3 hydrogens at the back. Okay, do you understand that? So this particular kind of writing is called Newman projection. So this is called sawhorse, this is called Newman projection. Okay, when I said about before I said about conformation is temporary molecular shape due to rotation of one bond, meaning that if I hold this CA, okay, and I rotate this carbon behind here, CB, so this particular bond between CA and CB will be rotating, moving. Let me rotate. And the rotation that being allowed is every time is about 60 degree rotation. So if I rotate 60 degree of this, and I'm holding CA as it is, So meaning that the one in front of you will be static. Okay, now the one behind you, I'm gonna be holding this and start rotating the bond between CA and CB by pulling this particular CB, rotate it in 60 degrees clockwise. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it so that it clockwise going 60 degrees between each other. So this is 60. So the hydrogen will come here, another hydrogen will come here, another hydrogen will come there. So this is rotation of one bond from one conformation or conformer to another conformer. Okay, I'll come back later on.